Hello, Caitlin Spino here, your pre and postnatal Pilates coach. So really quick, the month of July is almost over. We have what, 3 days left? Don't know where that went, but I wanted to share really quick because July is Diastasis Awareness Month. I'm a little behind the A game per usual, but here I am. And I just wanted to quickly share with you what is diastasis and how to fix it. So number one, in a nutshell, diastasis is literally the weakening of your linea alba, which is right here. Okay, so we have muscles and then we have this fascial connection here, and it is made to separate and stretch. So usually before babies it looks like this down that middle. After babies it stretches because our bodies stretch. Like literally God made our bodies so amazing and designed them to do that. Anybody can get diastasis. It is not just women. Men can have it too, overweight people. Anyway, so in another nutshell, diastasis is literally a whole body issue. So typically, it stems from, it can be a combination of obviously having a baby, your posture, and the main thing is your intra-abdominal pressure. If you don't know how to control your intra-abdominal pressure, you will not be able to heal your diastasis. So I always tell clients, like if that's something they're suffering with, that you need to get your whole body in alignment. So down from your feet, going barefoot more, to making sure your pelvis is neutral and aligned, and then making sure you're breathing correctly through your diaphragm, your rib cage, all the way up to your shoulders are down and back. Your neck is not protruding. Like it literally stems from the whole, from your head down to your toes kind of thing. Okay. Here's another statistic, but 100% of women will experience a separation of their linea alba when they give birth. Okay. So everybody has it when their babies are first born. It is probably larger and wider depending on how big your baby was, how well connected you were to your core, or if there were multiples. The other thing is, it's beyond that 6 to 8 week mark that you really want to be like, okay, how is my diastasis? But that is why rehab starting during pregnancy and then after you have baby is essential. You have got to get your core back functioning and firing correctly and breathing rightly, so it puts all your inner organs back into place, including getting that pressure system back working in your core. So that's why I recommend rehab. Like you have to do it so you can get back to the things you love. And whether you have an injury-based diastasis or not is going to determine how quickly you can get back to whatever routine that you want to do. Okay, so that is diastasis in a nutshell. I have a great blog post linked below for you. Make sure you check that out. I have visuals, I have diagrams, I have videos how you can test your diastasis. Make sure you check that out. Make sure you download my free guides if you have not yet, and make sure you check out my courses and my journal books. Guys, literally all the science is in there. The simple science of understanding how your body changes during pregnancy and postpartum so you can gain energy, be strong for your pregnancy and birth, know what exactly to expect throughout pregnancy and your birth, and to recover faster. See you on the flip side.